right, I got them bit. This is the 90 where it holds that pin, and I'm gonna weld a piece down the middle of it to hold it. And I think you can clock this handle any way you want it. And then this is the front part. This whole piece is going to be on the floorboard. I'm going to have some collars. Had decided on how big they are, but I got some pins, some other pins that you can slide through to release the whole seat if you want to take the seat out. But the hose match up. This one's going to be bolted to the underneath the seat. And I made these a little bit bigger because the bolt, you know how the bolt heads is a little bit thicker. You know, it might be half an inch, whatever. That'll give it a little bit of a recess when you actually put the seat down. These go to the actual hose in the floorboard, and then these I'm gonna have to actually drill them out of the floorboard because my truck had a bench, and they didn't come with factory buckets, and I think a single wide unless it was a 454 SS or even a Sport. I think the Sport might have had them bucket seats, but the ones with the hose that needed to be pre-drilled from the factory, mine didn't come with them. So I'm just going to drill out the hole in the floorboard. And then other than that, it's just test fitting it in the truck. I did the template and the hose matched up, but looking pretty good.